Amazon stock 62. We see the second quarter profits 35 billion. Then we have 15. The first quarter total 6 months is 50 billion. Now everybody is thinking about the sun. Yes, San Francisco, big 7 companies follow the sun. The sun. Now then everybody is running away from the sun and they go to the cloud. Yeah, let's follow Oracle. Everybody is following the cloud. Microsoft, Google, let's go for the cloud. Question is, if we have 50 billion profit first 6 months, why don't we follow share buyouts? Yes, let's buy 25 billion shares of Amazon stock. Why? Cause Jeff sold 25, he's going to sell it all, isn't he? So let's go and really have a nice good tide for that. Tide out of the shares, buy out, buy in shares. Now 25 billion. Then what do we do with the other 25 billion? Okay, let me think. Now some follow the sun, others follow the cloud. I follow my own way, your way, Amazon way, but then we have MicroStrategy following a different wave called Bitcoin. How about this 25 billion for Bitcoin? Because if a total profit is 100 billion 2025, which is a record, world record, whilst everybody is worried about AWS only grew 17% in the cloud. Yes, let's swim in the cloud. And how much kelp, how much view, are there any white sharks there? Anyway, everybody's having fun about this cloud. It's really funny. Then why not 25 billion share buyout or 50% of the profits, and then have the other 50% by MicroStrategy shares? Why? Because perhaps in, let's say, 10 years, that company would be owned by Amazon. Ha! Well, if you want more ideas, please do it at your own risk. This is an investor's point of view. Do not, never, ever take this as a recommendation to buy Amazon shares. Okay? You can just watch the news and see how in the Basque country here, 5,000 small companies went bust. Yes, because we have the Inquisition tax system. We have the Bilbao, we have the Biscay province, we have the Basque government, we have the central government, and then we have these really smart people in Brussels called the European Union. Yes, 26 chickens with no head running around, just getting VAT 21%. 21%, yes, that's why people live in the Canary Islands. It's only 7%, yes, in the Canary Islands. So you can go move there. Yeah, it's much easier to eat and live. And you don't need any heating. So come on, go and move there, because that's why it's duplicating every 10 years population. But anyway, just think about Amazon stock, because it's not just the cloud, or is it the sun, or is it that they really don't have a policy regarding, now I'm doing 100 billion per year. What am I going to do with that? Am I going to buy out my own way? 50%. And then the other 50% is these other companies are just following the sun and the cloud. Well, I follow MicroStrategy. I don't know about you, but I am. Thank you, bye.